Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually do what sub for a cheapest data that is valid for what 30 days using your Android smartphone with this particular app that I am about to show you. So as you can see, I have actually sent 500 into that particular app, and here is the receipt. Can you see? So the name of the app is what dataplanet.ng, stuff like that. So just watch and see how this stuff is being done. I don't want to talk too much, and I don't want this video to be too long. Do you understand? So let's go there, guys. If you are new subscriber, I am begging you, turn on notification sign, like this video, share this video, and drop your comment on what you think about this video. It is very important, please. So now after that, I've made my payment. So let me see if the payment has actually reflected. So here is the app. Here is the app. Can you see that? So all I have to do is just to click on the app to open it. Let's exercise patience as the app is about to open. Good. So once this has opened, remember, before you can be able to do anything, I'll be dropping the link of this app on my video description. So all you need to do is just to go to my video description and make use of the link if you are interested to use this particular app for buying cheap data for yourself, or you can even start a cheap data business, and start making cool cash with it. Now, as you can see, I have opened it, and the money I sent has actually come into this place now. So all I have to do is this, guys. Watch me. After you've come to this part now, this is the account number, and I guess this is the email that the money can you see. So here is the mail that have mailed me that the 500 that I've transferred into this app has actually gotten into this app. Good. So after that, now guys, here, this is my account number. Let me quickly explain little here, or explain what this part is actually all about. So this is what the amount I have inside there. So this is the name I used to open it. Okay, so here is what the features of this app. Here is the features of the app. Fund. This is actually what this app can do. Do you understand? You can fund this app, you can transact and stuff like that. Now this is my bank account. Do you understand? Like if you want somebody to pay directly into this app, so you can actually buy data for that person and send to that person, this is actually the account you'll be giving to that particular person. So it will be very much easier for you to do that. Good. So then after that, now coming over to this place, as you can see, if you have this app, you don't need to like cry over anything. You can use it to buy data, you can use it to buy a recharge card. And one thing about this is this: if you don't want to like do a what's it called, VTU, visual transfer something, you can actually pay and get the print, like, and get the card code and recharge it directly. So that is it for that. So as you can see, you can use this app to buy data, you can use it to buy airtime, you can use it to even subscribe, you can use it to subscribe your your cable. So let's open and see. Here you select, you can use it to do your Go TV, DSTV, then Star Times. Can you see? So this is a basic way you can actually use it to plan. Then here are the plans. Here you can put your plans. Then here you put the serial number or the code behind the smart card that you want to use it for. That is that for you. Then you can use it to pay bills. So let's see payment bills, meter types. Can you see prepaid and postpaid meter? Then this is this is awesome. So literally this app can actually do anything. You can even use it to generate education pins. Can you see? WAEC, NECO, and this NAPTAP. Can you see? So this is actually amazing. This is amazing, guys. So please, I'm begging you, if you love this app and you want to make use of the app, just go to my video description to get the link, the perfect link, the exact link of this app, and start making use of it. You can actually use it to send bulk SMS and the rest of it. So after that, now don't forget that the basic of this tutorial is to show you how you can actually buy your data. So you click on this one that says buy your data. Then here you select the particular number you want to use. So for me, I am using this for my data, which is MTN. Then here you select your data plan. The one I normally use is this corporate data. So just click on this corporate one. You click on this corporate see that. Good. So once you click on your corporate data, then select your plan. Don't forget, everything here is just for 30 days. As you can see, with 50 naira, with 40 naira, you can buy 50 gig, and you can buy 50 MB. With 73 naira, you can buy 150. Are you seeing that? Then with 100 naira, you can buy 250. Then with 130, you can buy 500 MB, and it lasts for 30 days. Then with 265, you can actually get yourself 1 gig. Then with 530, wow, you can get 2 gig. Imagine 10 gig is 2615 naira. This is amazing. So I'm just going for 1 gig. So you click on 1 gig, then the number has been put already. I guess that is all. So all you need to do is just to hit this place that says what? That says buy now. Good. So once you click on this part that says buy now, then 2 options popped up here. You can actually confirm your payment or proceed with your payment by using this. Just click on it, then you put, or you can actually put your code. That is all. So let's wait. So as you can see, look at it, transaction is successful. Dear customer, you have successfully shared 1024 MB data to this particular number. So that is it, and they do give additional bonus or not. So your new corporate gifting data balance is 7,600 expires. So now this is all you need to do. Closed. I've gotten the message already, and here is the message. Can you see? This is the message. So let me show you. It is not magic. As they play, it is show. So look at it now. Are you seeing it? Dear customer, you have received. Remember, what I paid for is 1 gig, but they gave me additional 24 MB, valid what? For 30 good days. So guys, this is just the easiest way, and the app you can actually use to do this. So the name of the app is dataplan.what. Let me check the name of this app. The name of this app is Data Planet. But don't worry, everything will be available in this video description. Thank you, and please, I'm begging you, if this video is much educative, kindly like